Hello friends, welcome back to my beautiful Goan life. And today we're going to talk about a very unique plant called as Rhaphidophora courtaldsi. It was kind of a love at first sight for me looking at this plant because it is a climber or a climbing aroid, and it climbs on anything it gets its roots into, from cement walls you can say, to trees, to totems as well. This plant is also called as a shingle plant. It gets its name from the shingling behavior, as it exhibits its young leaves in which it lies flat against the surface of any tree or a support that has been given. It does not grow vertical, but it lies flat on the surface, hence it's called as a shingle plant. So here I have taken a wooden piece of an old tree, a trunk of an old tree which is completely dry, and I'm going to utilize this to mount the shingling plant so that it gets a support to climb on. Now this is a plant that wants a surface to climb on. Give it any surface, it would climb. So hence I'm using this for one of the plants and a moss stick for the other. So what I've done is I've taken this piece of wood, cleansed it. I have really cleansed it off all the dust. I've washed it with spray of water, and I'm going to use the same for mounting it. I'm using an earthen pot to grow this plant, and I'm also thinking about a height of how high I should place this wooden plant, because I should remember that looser the roots, taller and the healthier the plant would be, and it would have sufficient space for its roots. I'm using this moss to mount this plant. I'm going to keep this moss on the wooden plank and use the jute string to tie it up. See, moss provides the benefit of holding moisture, and this plant requires such moisture so that it thrives and the leaves are able to attach itself to the wooden plank. So what kind of a soil have I used for this plant? What I have done is taken equal proportion of vermicompost, coco peat and perlite. Now these three things I've taken together because this plant likes or enjoys, you can say, well drained but moist soil. Rhaphidophora courtaldsi are very easy to grow tropical plants that require little care indoors or outdoors. Like any other aroids, many species like these are grown as house plants, and they particularly grow on any surface. They grow best when you provide them with a mossy stick, you can say, or a piece of wood wrapped in moss. Also, you can grow it in hanging baskets also. And with regards to watering this plant, I mist the moss every alternate day, and with regards to the soil, as and when the soil goes dry. That is all, friends. I see you again. Thank you so much for watching. I see you again. Bye.